We often hear the term data breach. We often hear that a data breach has impacted a company and sensitive information of the customers or the company got stolen. What is a data breach? In this video, we would discuss that in detail. A data breach is a security incident in which an unauthorized individual accesses sensitive, protected, or confidential data of a company or organization. A data breach may involve various types of data. Attackers may steal financial information like credit card details of consumers, personal health information of users, trade secrets of a company, or even other intellectual property of a corporation. Attackers may have several motivations behind a data breach. Data breaches can be done by individuals for the purpose of personal gain or financial gain. A data breach can also be associated with organized crime, political activists, or national governments. And sometimes, data breaches are done by disgruntled employees for the purpose of revenge. In some cases, data breaches can also be unintentional. For example, a sensitive email may get shared with unintended recipients accidentally. How do data breaches occur? Data breaches may occur in several ways. Attackers often exploit security vulnerabilities present in a system to access the system and sensitive files stored in the system. Attackers often use malware to steal sensitive data. For example, they may send a phishing email to an employee who has access to sensitive data and install malware on the employee system using social engineering techniques. Later, the malware can steal sensitive data from the system, including sensitive credentials. If an ignorant employee has weak passwords, attackers may exploit them to guess the credentials and access the systems. And sometimes, data breaches occur when an unencrypted and unlocked device gets lost or stolen. For example, data breaches may occur when an unencrypted and unlocked laptop of an employee or an external hard drive gets lost or stolen, and attackers gain access to the device and all the sensitive files within. Data breaches may impact us in many ways. If sensitive information of customers get breached, then attackers can use the data to plan for even more cyber attacks on the victims. The attackers may use the stolen information to send out phishing emails. If financial information like credit card details get breached, then attackers may exploit the data for financial gain. Sometimes, attackers even exploit the stolen data to commit identity fraud. They may use the stolen information to impersonate a victim for criminal purposes. What is identity theft? We have discussed that in a separate video. The link is provided in the description. How to prevent data breaches? Data breaches can be prevented in many ways. Sensitive data should never be stored or transmitted without encryption. A company or organization should enforce strong credentials. Multi-factor authentication should be used whenever possible. All the systems and software should be regularly updated with recent patches. Awareness should be increased among employees to prevent social engineering attacks. And all necessary precautions should be used to detect and prevent malware and intrusions. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more can visit the website of the Security Buddy. The Security Buddy also provides many cybersecurity courses, including courses for various certification exams like the CCNA, CCNP or CompTIA. The relevant links are provided in the description. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.